there. Yeah, you in your little box. While you're scrolling your soul away, they're gambling on your kid's next meal. Wake the fuck up!
They kill the light while you ride through the night, feeding your kid with noise and a fight. PBS dies but the prophet lives on. They bet on hunger with the tailored baton. Wall Street wolves in Armani's skin, draining the cupboards from deep within. Your child cries while the bosses grin, and you still march. Fuck that sin. Gang shouted, burn the signal, wake the fire. No more sires. You ride for truth, not corporate chains. We bleed for books, not names. We won't raise soldiers for your greed. We raise our kin, that's all we need. They wave their flags in holy lust, while mothers grind their hope to dust. No PBS, no learning light, just TikTok junk and algorithm blight. You sign your name on deadly deals, while our kids lose time and meals. They kill the signal, burn the schools, and we just sit not in our rules. You fight for borders, but never for the kids inside them. You cut the funds, but feed the weapons. You say freedom, we say bullshit. They play kings in towers, steal books from our schools. We ain't your pawns, we break your rules. You sell our air, you sell our land, but we ride hard with callous hands. The signal, wake the fire, wake the fire. Torch the liars, lift it higher. We ain't your army, we ain't your slaves. We ride for the ones who won't let raise. They got the shows, they train the shows. You're talking your vibe. Trade your stock tips, burn your pride. We raise our children and we ride. They cut the shows, they dray shelves. They think we forgot, but we sharpened our voice. We tuned the engines, and now we ride. And now we ride.